Hello everyone, this is me, Xplogamer. So it's been a while. I mean, 8 months has passed since the last devlog. A lot has happened. It's kinda hard to explain what all happened in those 8 years. I mean 8 months, sorry. I was having exams, then after exams I went to Bangalore. I took my mic with me, then I realized that I forgot to bring the mic's cable, and then I had to wait 2 months so that I can come back and record again with my mic. It's all over. So finally we're back to the devlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We have a lot of changes to make in the game right now. If you notice my recent videos, you can see there's a bit of a change in the background. I added textures to the background to make it more realistic, and now the problem is I have to add the texture in the game backgrounds too. I mean, it's just retexturing, what's the big deal? I can do it quickly, right?
One eternity later.
Hi there kiddos, it's finally done. I'm now 60 years old. Okay, retexturing is complete, and now let's move on to the devlog. Roll the intro. So after retexturing all the backgrounds, I feel like the game has become more beautiful. So one of the features I wanted to add in this game was character selection. Only playing as Xplo will get boring pretty fast. In other games we collect coins and then buy new characters, but in our game we're going to do it a bit differently. We're going to use score to buy characters. I tried the coin system, but I think it won't work in this game because there's no different route you're choosing. You're just going the same route. So now we're going to create a score manager. We're going to make a value called total score. This value will be the total score you've collected in this game. We are going to save this score in the device using a keyword called player prefs. Saving these values will allow it to be regained when you're restarting the game. We can save and load any value using the keyword player prefs. Fun fact, we're gonna use a lot of player prefs in this video. So I got a score of 72 now, and so my total score will be 72. And then I replayed the game, and you can see that my total score is still 72. So now we have to display the total score in the game too. And for that I'm going to remove the reset score button. RIP reset score button, you will be missed. Nah, just kidding, no one misses you.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
So now the game will display a total score option. Next up we are going to create a character selecting menu. But before that I need to listen to some of your criticism. So I opened up my Discord server and checked the game feedback channel, and oh boy, there were a lot of complaints this time. Main problem is one of the features that I added that allowed you to break a jumping or a sliding and start doing the other animation, like sliding in between your jumping or jumping while you are sliding. This one was causing a major issue to all mobile users and especially PC users because they can keep mashing the up arrow and down arrow button for no reason. So I had to remove that feature. We have to go back to how it was initially. So now you have to wait till Xplo has landed on the ground to continue the other action, or you have to wait till he finished sliding. I adjusted the obstacles so that it becomes possible to play without this feature. And now the game is perfect.
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
Okay, enough small businesses. Now it's time for the big work. Character selection menu. First character we're going to add is Joe Mama. I would never get tired of using that joke. So I made all the animations for Joe and I have added him in the game. When we play the game, Xplo's mom chases Joe, which is kinda weird. Why would Xplo's mom chase Joe? So I decided to add Joe's mom. Joe mom. I'm sorry, I won't do that again. Okay, now it's perfect. Joe's mom chasing Joe. Now that's epic. Now I am making the character selection menu. This will pop up whenever you press play. Okay, so let me go and watch some YouTube tutorials because I don't have any idea how this works. Wow, what a cute looking cat. Oh, there comes a lot of cats. I wish I had a cat. Wait, what am I doing? So I made an icon for each character. This is going to be Xplo's icon. Then I created these arrows beside them so you can switch to the next character, just like how a character selection menu works in every game. Joe's icon was a bit complicated because his head is really long, unlike Xplo's face, which is almost like a perfect circle. Cut your hair, Joe.
Okay.
So I made a code. When you press these buttons, the next character will appear. Okay, so I have implemented a buy and selecting option. So there's a bool called Joe buy. A bool is something which gives a true or false value. If Joe buy is true, then it means we are telling the computer that the player already bought Joe. So he can now select Joe. If it is false, then the player has to buy Joe in order to select him. And if he doesn't have enough score to buy him, then it will show not enough score to buy. I gave myself 1 million coins because I have to buy it and test it.
I'm rich. Hey.
So I made an int called selected char. What it does is that it tells the computer which character is selected currently. Xplo has the number 0, Joe will have 1, and the remaining characters will have the next numbers. This number will be used by the next scene to decide which player will be running in this game. So in the menu, I have made the selected char as 1. That means Joe is selected currently. So now if I press play in the game scene, Joe and his mom will be running. Now in case while you are playing, you decided you want to change the character, it's now possible. There is an exit option in the pause menu which would usually quit the application, but instead of that I made it go back to the main menu so that from there you can select the next character and then play the game again. Now see, I am playing as Xplo, but I want to play as Joe now. So I'm gonna press exit and then go to main menu and then select Joe. Voila, now I'm playing as Joe. Next up we have Ninny. Yes, your favorite character Ninny. Yes, I know it. You don't have to hide it anymore. You don't have to be insecure about it. Just tell it. Ninny is your favorite character, even more than Xplo. Again copy pasting continues, and I made all the animations for Ninny by just pasting the head. But this time it's different because Ninny is actually smaller than Joe and Xplo, so I have to make her smaller. I don't know if it will get any more complicated, but let's see how it works out. Now it's time for Ninny's mom. Ninny's mom, I don't need to change size because all moms are same size. I just realized you can't body shame anyone in this universe. Everyone has the same body. Okay, so here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Joe and Ninny is now finally a playable, unlockable characters. You can now play as Joe and Ninny once you manage to get enough score to unlock them. The game will have more characters in the future. I'm planning to even add Xplo's mom to be playable. So Xplo's grandma will be chasing Xplo's mom. That would be funny, right? I think I should also add power-ups for each characters. Each character should have a special ability or something. So that will make the game interesting. You guys can leave your suggestions below. Suggestions about any power-ups or any more unlockable characters or any new obstacles. Because we need more obstacles. Maybe a car will go through the road, or maybe a UFO comes. Anything can be an obstacle. Go check out right now. The game is available on mobile, online and offline on PC. So yeah, play it, enjoy it, tell me how it is on Discord server, Game Feedbacks channel. See you guys in the next video.